You did not forget that. Your brain chose to erase it. And it is happening right now, without your permission.
Everything you're watching, from the script to the animation, the voice, the thumbnail, and even the subtitles, was built with AI. Let me show you exactly how I made this faceless YouTube channel from scratch. First, the niche. I used Claude to help me research and narrow down a niche: psychology and human behavior facts. It's a format that performs well because everyone can relate to it on some level. For the visual style, I went with stick figure animation. Simple, fast to produce at scale, and it fits psychology content well since you can illustrate human behavior without needing realistic characters. Once I had the niche, I used Claude to help research and draft the fact scripts. Short, punchy format. Hook, the fact itself, then a quick explanation of why it happens. I also use it to write out scene breakdowns, so each line of the script has a matching visual beat already mapped out. With the script and scene breakdown ready, I go back to Claude to turn each scene into a detailed prompt, describing the stick figure pose, the setting, the mood, so the image generation comes out consistent across the whole video. Then I run those prompts through my image and animation tools to actually generate the visuals. At this point, everything looks like it's coming together, but it's actually nowhere near ready to upload. The animation still needs a voice. A few scenes have unwanted objects and watermarks. There's no thumbnail yet, and adding subtitles manually would take forever. Instead of bouncing between 5 different apps, this is where I move everything into Wondershare Uniconverter. The first thing I do is generate the narration. I paste in the script, choose a voice that matches the style of the channel, and within minutes, the entire voiceover is ready without opening another app. Some AI-generated scenes aren't perfect. Maybe there's a watermark, maybe an unwanted object slipped into the frame. Instead of regenerating the whole scene, I use Uniconverter's generative AI Ultra Watermark and Object Remover. The motion tracking keeps everything clean, even while the video is moving. Next comes one of the most important parts of any YouTube video: the thumbnail. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, I use Uniconverter's AI image generator with the YouTube thumbnail template to generate a concept I can build on, saving a huge amount of time. Before exporting, I let the Smart Summarizer identify the key moments if I need a shorter version, then use the subtitle editor to automatically generate captions from the narration. That means no manual syncing and a much faster workflow. Now everything is finally ready. The voiceover is finished, the visuals are cleaned up, the thumbnail is prepared, and the captions are already synced. With everything ready, the last step is assembly. I bring it all into CapCut, line up the stick figure scenes with the narration, and fine-tune the pacing. Because all the heavy lifting already happened, this part moves fast. And here's the finished video. Clean animation, no watermark, narrated, captioned, with a thumbnail that actually fits the format. From a blank concept to a published video, this entire workflow took a fraction of the time it normally would. That's the overview. Every step you just saw deserves its own full breakdown, so this is actually the start of a series. Episode 1 will be setting up and finalizing the channel itself: name, profile image, banner, tags, everything before you even post your first video. From there, I'll go deep into scripting with AI, then visual and animation generation, then a full episode dedicated to the post-production side: voiceover, cleanup, subtitles, and thumbnails. If you want to try Uniconverter for the post-production side yourself, the download link is in the description below.